Hello lovelies, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me collab with this beauty right here, Shen Vibes. She does a lot of makeup looks, hauls, vlogs, fashion lookbooks and everything like that on her channel, so go ahead and check her out. Of course, I will leave all her links in the description box down below, so make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my girl's channel and thumbs up her video and tell her that Shaunz sent you, of course. So thank you guys so much for watching and following us both, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, I've already prepped and primed my face. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation in the shade 430, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute that all over my face and just blend that out. So the brows are all done off camera. It's the same routine, guys. I haven't changed anything about my brows. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some P. Louise eye base on, and then I'm going to blend that out and then get ready to apply my eyeshadows. Touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more. Okay, so for today's eye look, I'll be using the James Charles from Morphe palette, and I'm going to start off with that brown shade just to pop in the crease area of my eyes. I'm going to try and blend that out as neatly and as, you know, best as I can, because I don't want it to be too harsh. I know it's coming off a bit red, but I think it was because my brush already had some shadows on it. But I promise you it's a nice chocolate brown and it's perfect for that transition shade.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more.
Guys, so this palette does not have any names on the actual shade. I think it came with a film which had the names on. Well, of course I lost the film, so just go ahead and look at me and look at the shadows that I point to see which one I'm picking up to use on my eyes. So I'm using this sort of a champagne-y shade to pop into the middle part of my eye area.
Touch me.
We're going to be winging it, baby. I'm using my favorite, the e.l.f. liquid liner, to draw on a wing. I love this liner because the brush is very thin, but it's not too thin, so it gives you a really good precision, and it's really black and it's long lasting. And this is what I've been using for the longest time because I absolutely love it. It's cheap and it's cheerful.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired.
And of course, this is always optional, but I like to pop on some lashes when I do my eyes, especially if I'm going out. I like to, you know, look different. So I'm using these lashes from my own lash line, Shaunz Beauty. These are called the Shauna lashes, and they're quite natural, not too much, but they give your eyes just that right amount of oomph.
Don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more. Love me,
Okay guys, so if I don't call out every product I'm using, I will list it in the description box down below or on the screen. So what I'm doing now is concealing my under eyes, and I'm using this one from Too Faced. It's so good, you guys. It's a bit more on the pricey side, but it's such an amazing concealer. I love the color and I love the consistency of it. It gives a really nice coverage, and I love that yellow tone it gives me underneath my eyes. It makes my eyes look so awake, and I love that in a concealer.
His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me?
After blending out my concealer, guys, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty banana powder. I forgot the name of it. I will leave it on the screen. Oh my goodness, it was almost spilling out of the container, so that's why I have so much on my face, but never mind, we're going to blend that out later. So now guys, I am applying the Rimmel London Scandalous Eye Kohl liner underneath my eyes, just to give it that sultry look.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this.
After dusting off all the powders, guys, I'm going to be using my MSF powder from MAC. It's in the shade Dark Deep. I use this all the time. It's my all-time favorite. You guys know this if you've been watching my videos. I will never change this powder, you guys. I promise you, it gives me such a nice finish, and I'm just using it to just, you know, blend everything in together. Another favorite of mine is this highlighter palette from Black Up Cosmetics for Jenny Jenkins. You guys, I love this so much. I know it looks like I haven't been using it, but it goes to show you how much product is in this palette. So I'm using that shade I just showed you on the screen to highlight my cheekbones and a bit on the tip of my nose. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray some Morphe spray on my face. I love that spray. And now for the lips, I'll be using a bunch of stuff. I'm using a lip liner, and then I'm going to use a liquid lipstick and then a gloss. Of course, I will leave that on the screen, as I said, or in the description box. But yes, I am lining my lips before I apply my liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to top that off with a Fenty gloss. One of my favorite brand of glosses, you guys. Fenty glosses are amazing. They are a bit pricey, but they're amazing. Love Fenty Beauty. And that's my makeup look complete. Let's move on to the hair, you guys. Alrighty, so we are about to take this scarf off because I had put some mousse in my hair. I have some old twists in, and then I'm going to go ahead and just unravel them and then proceed to styling these twists. Well, not really styling them. I'm just going to be trying to fluff out my hair as much as I can because these twists, they're very old. So the twisting itself, the twists, they're very tight. So I'm not going to be able to fluff out my hair as much as I really wanted to, but never mind. Listen guys, because these curls are so tight, it's absolutely difficult to unravel them. So it's not going to be as fluffy as I want it to be, but I'm trying my best not to lose the curls so much. So that's why I'm not trying to make it so fluffy, but you know, we're going to try and make this work.
Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I do hope you like it. It's not too much. This is more like a date night kind of look or a lunch look. Not too much going on. Beautiful eyes. The lips are a bit subtle. I like that kind of makeup look. And then I've opted for, you know, my hair being out. So let's get on to the outfit. Alright guys, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing some wide leg trousers and a racer front tank top, some sandals and a nice beige purse. This is the complete look. I hope you like it. This girl's a wonder. She loves me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed watching this Get Ready With Me in collaboration with my girl Shen Vibes. I hope you liked the look and the outfit. If you did, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on for more. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?